Let's cut to the chase. Most Americans aren't broke because they don't make enough. They're broke because debt keeps piling up. And here's the thing, most people have no idea just how deep the hole really is. You're probably dealing with it yourself. Credit card bills, a car loan, a mortgage, student loans, maybe even a personal loan, sometimes all of those at once. That's not really living, that's treading water, just trying to survive. Nobody ever gives you a heads up about this. Instead, you hear stuff like, debt is just part of life. Everybody's got it. Just make your minimum payments and you'll be fine. But that advice is a trap. Minimum payments aren't there to help you get free. They're there to keep you paying. Here's something most people don't get about debt. Every single dollar you owe is quietly working against you day and night. While you're at work, while you sleep, while you try to save for something better. Interest is there in the background, making your debt a little bigger every month. And the more you owe, the harder it gets to get ahead because now your income isn't fully yours. Part of your paycheck is already spoken for by the credit card company. Part of it belongs to the car loan. Part of it belongs to the bank. You're the one earning the money, but someone else already has a claim on it. Debt isn't just draining your wallet, it's shrinking your options. With no debt, you can take chances. You can quit a job you hate. You can start something new. You can handle an emergency without panicking. But with debt hanging over you, fear drives almost every decision. You stay in a job because you need the paycheck, not because you love it. You don't take the leap on a new idea because you can't afford to miss a payment. You avoid risk because one bad month could throw everything off. Debt pins you down. And the scary part is how normal it feels. Everyone around you is doing the same thing, leasing cars, swiping credit cards, borrowing for school. So you think, well, I guess this is just life. But it's not. This is a system designed to keep you in it. So how do you break out? It starts with one decision. Stop adding new debt while you're still paying off the old. Sounds obvious, but most people keep borrowing while trying to pay things down. One step forward, one step back. So how do you actually get out of this? It starts with one decision. Stop adding new debt before you remove old debt. That sounds obvious, but most people are still borrowing while trying to pay off. One step forward, one step back, and they wonder why nothing changes. The second move is to attack the most expensive debt first. The high interest stuff, credit cards, personal loans, anything above 15%. This debt is wealth destruction. Every month you carry it, you are paying to stay poor. Let that hit you. You're not just paying interest, you're paying to stay stuck. The third move is to build a small buffer while paying off. Even $500 in savings changes everything. Because when an emergency hits, you don't have to go back into debt to survive it. That buffer is what breaks the cycle. And the cycle is the real enemy. Not the debt itself. The cycle of borrowing to survive, surviving to borrow. Once you break that cycle, everything starts moving in the right direction. Not fast, not dramatic, but consistently. And consistency is how debt actually disappears. One payment at a time, one decision at a time, 1 month at a time. And eventually, the money you earn starts staying with you. So if you're carrying debt right now, you're not alone, and you're not stupid. You were sold a system designed to keep you in it. But once you see the system, you can start working against it. Imagine waking up one day and realizing the money I earn actually stays with me. No one waiting for it. No one taking a chunk before you see it. Just you, your money, your choices. That's what freedom feels like. And it starts with getting free from what's holding you back. If this opened your eyes, subscribe. Because financial freedom doesn't start with a big income. It starts with breaking the debt trap.